Hey guys, welcome to Top Science. Humanity is going back to the moon, but this time we are not just visiting, we are staying. So today we are deep diving into the Artemis mission, what they are, what they matter, and what's next. Let's go back for a moment. In 1972, Apollo 17 marked the last time humans walked on the moon. More than 15 years later, NASA is preparing to go back, not to repeat the history, but to build the future. The Artemis Program is named after the Greek goddess of the moon and the twin sister of Apollo. The Artemis Mission have four main goals: land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon, establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of this decade, use the moon to learn how to live and work on another world, prepare for the ultimate goal of sending humans to the Mars. Let's start with Artemis 1, which happened in 2022. This was an uncrewed mission, no astronaut on board. NASA launched the brand new Space Launch System SLS rocket and sent the Orion spacecraft around the moon and back. It tested the rocket, the spacecraft and the all systems, and everything worked great. Next up is Artemis 2, expected in 2025. This will be the first crewed Artemis mission. 4 astronauts will fly around the moon in Orion, just like what Apollo 8 did back in the day. They won't land, but it will be the farthest humans have gone since 1972. And then comes the big one, Artemis 3. Currently planned for 2026, this mission will be land astronaut on the moon's south pole. Why there? Because we believe there is ice in that region, and that means possible water and fuel for the future missions. This will be the first moon landing since Apollo 17, over 15 years ago. So, here is how the moon landing will work. Astronauts will fly to the lunar orbit in the Orion spacecraft, but to land, they will transfer into the Space's Starship lunar lander, a specially built version just for the moon. That's what will take actually dive to the surface. NASA is also building a new space station around the moon called Lunar Gateway. It is planned to launch in phase starting in 2025. Gateway will orbit the moon and act like a space hub, a place for astronauts to rest, refuel and prepare for the moon landing. Think of it like a gas station in the space. And here is the exciting part. The moon is just the beginning. NASA's big goal to use the Artemis as a stepping stone to the Mars by the mid-2030s. The plan is to send humans to the Mars. Living and working on the moon will teach us how to survive in exoplanet and explore the deep spaces. Artemis isn't just a NASA mission, it's a global effort. Countries like Canada, Japan, European space nations are key partners, and big companies like SpaceX, Boeing, and Blue Origin are building the rockets and spacecraft. It's truly a team mission for the humanity. And of course, there are big challenges too: technical issues, delays, and high costs. Building rockets and landers and space stations isn't easy, but space exploration is always tough, and that's what makes it worth it. The important thing is we are moving forward.